Are you tired of constantly checking your Excel spreadsheets for important updates and changes? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create alerts in Excel such that you spend less time monitoring your data and more time making informed decisions. Whether you're tracking your sales figures, inventory levels, or project milestones, alerts can play a crucial role in data analysis and decision making in Excel. When you look at my worksheet here, I'm able to track the ID expiry dates of my staff just by using the column of status, as you can also see, because it's displaying its tracks and gives me a notification on when the ID is expiring, whether it's expiring soon, whether it's expired, or whether it's on time. So by doing this, I am saving more time and I focus much on making informed decisions. So let me show you how to create alerts in Excel. Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple deadline alert in Excel. So when you look at this example, I'm using colors in relation to days to track my records that are going to expire, that have expired, and that are on time. So in this tutorial, let me show you quickly, step by step, on how to do it. So first thing, I'm going to introduce my today function. For me to introduce my today function, I just come here, I press equal sign, then I write there today, open parenthesis and close, then I press enter. So this is my today, my date today. It is May 29th, 2024. So after getting my date, remember this date automatically changes every day. So if you open it tomorrow, it's going to be 30th. After doing that, you go ahead and you calculate the remaining days or the left days for your record to expire. So equal signs, you select the cell, then you press equal signs, then you'll get the due date or the expiring date minus today's date. Then you press enter. You're having 1. So due date, it is 30th May and today's date is 29th. So when you calculate, even if you use your calculator, you're going to get 1 as your remaining day. So after this, we're going to introduce what we call absolute referencing, because I want to use this value all throughout my other rows, as you're going to see. So it is very easy with absolute referencing. What you will do, since you want to use this value, you select it, you highlight, you come back to our formula here. So we want to use the value in B2 as you're seeing. So I'm going to introduce my $sign before the cell name and after the cell name. So when you have done that, you can press enter, then you come here at the edge down, you expand going downwards. So you are able to get the remaining days or the left days. So now we're going to introduce in the status attribute. So for our status here, we shall use the if condition or the if function. So briefly, let me show you what a brief function is. A brief function, it helps us to check whether a condition is met and returns a value if it's true and other value if it's false. So this is my structure of my if function, and it's what we're going to use in our example. So I'll just copy this for the interest of time, and I'll provide a link in the description where you can find that formula. So I just come here in I select my cell, then I press in my formula bar. So my cell is D4. If D4 is less than 0, it should display expired, and if D4 it is less than or equal to 90, expiring soon. And if it's D4, if D4 greater than 90, it should show on time. So when I press OK, D4, my cell D4, as you see, it is less than or equal to 90, so it is showing expiring soon. So when I expand towards going down, you're seeing expiring soon, expired, this is expired, this is on time. So I think we have achieved 80%. So what is now remaining? It is us setting rules on which color to determine which the days. So you may say that if the days are less than 0, I want it to have all the days that are less than 0. I want it to have a color indicator of red since they expired, and all these that are going to expire or expiring soon, they should have maybe color orange. So let us set our rules here. So for you to set the rule, you select the cell, then you go to condition formatting as you're seeing, then you go to new rule. So then after you select, use a formula to determine which cell to format, then here you're going to use your rules. So I'm going to copy this because I already have it. So format values where this formula is true. So I want my cell 4, it is here as you're seeing, and I want it to have, and if it's showing expiring soon as you're seeing, I want it to have a color of orange. Select orange, okay, and this, okay. So when I try to expand, it will set a rule on all all rows with days less than or equal to 90 to have a color of orange. So if my record is expired, I want it to have a rule. You go back to condition formatting, then you go to new rule, use a formula to determine a rule. So you copy your formula. So expired, you set a value, I want it to display red. So you press OK. Something's on try, go back, new rule. So determine which formula, expand, format, red, okay, and okay. It is in cell 8, so you have to be keen when you're setting these rules. So which cell format, formula reference, it's E8, format with color red, okay, and okay. So when I try to expand down, all my rows having records that are expired, they will be in color red. So with the on time, still you do the same thing, new rule, set formula, you give formula, it is in E10, cell reference E10, format, I want it to have a color of blue. So press OK, something's not right, you select the formula, condition formatting, new rule, set color, you come back here, you forgot to put there our value, so it is on time, set the rule, I want it to be color blue, okay. So set rule, format, E10, reference E10, on time, on time, on time, on time. Format, blue, okay, and okay. So you drag down, it has affected the cells. So that's how you're able to create a simple deadline alert in Excel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with a friend. God bless you.